For number 5, we are going to figure out an equation that contains the origin and the point 1, 2. First, the origin is just the point 0, 0. And let me provide you guys with a picture, even though the question doesn't ask us to have the picture, but then this is about equation of a line. When you see the picture, it's easier to understand it. So first, we need to have the origin 0, 0. So let me label that right here for the first point. And then the second point is 1, 2. So let me label this is 1 for the x value, and then we have 1, 2 right here for the y value, and 1, 2 will be right here. And then we are going to connect the points with a line, and this is the line that we are talking about. And then we are going to find the equation of this line. Well, we need to have two things, and let me write it down right here for you guys. First, we need to have the slope of the line, and then for slope, we can denote it by m. And you have two ways to do it. You can use the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. But in this case, since I have the picture already, this is how we can figure out the slope as well. From the picture, m is going to be, we are going to just count how many times do we have to go up or down, and we do that first. And then we divide it by how many times we are going to the right. And the reason I say just the right on the bottom right here, it's because I am going to always start off with the points on the left, which in our case is this right here. Begin with the point on the left, and then you have to see how many times we have to go up to get to this point here. And you see from here, you can go up 1 time, 2 times. So let me label that 2 right here. So we have to go up 2 times. Going up 2 times means we have the 2 on the top. If we went down, then that's a negative value. So we will have a 2 on the top, and let me just write it down right here. M will be the 2 right here, positive 2. And then over how many times do we have to go from here to this point? Well, we just have to move it to the right 1 time. So the 1 right here, the positive 1 right here, because we move to the right, will be going down for the denominator. And as you can see, m is equal to 2 over 1. Of course, that's just the same as 2. So that's the first thing that we have. Second thing is, we also need to pick a point to use. Well, we have 2 points to choose from, 0, 0 or 1, 2. Up to you. I think we can never go wrong with 0, 0. So I will go 0, 0. This is what we are going to do. We are going to use the point slope form of a line, namely y minus y1 equals to m for the slope, and then we multiply by x minus x1. So this is the point slope form of the line, and this is how you should do it, and it will always work. So right here, the m is 2 that we know, and then how about the x1 and y1? Well, that's the numbers that we're going to use from the point that we have right here. The first coordinate represents the x1 value, and then this right here represents the y1 value, and you see that's all we need. So we will have y minus y1, which is this 0 here, just plugging into the equation here, and then we will have equal the m, which is the 2 right here. So I just put down the 2 right here, and then let's open the parentheses, and this x in black is always x in black, and then minus, for the x1 is this 0 here, so we put down 0. As you can see, y minus 0 is just y, so that's all. We got the y by itself already, and then it's equal to 2 times x minus 0, this is just x. So we have 2 times x, which is just 2x. And this right here is the answer. Y is equal to 2x, and that's answer choice A right here.
That's it.